So we know what's coming. How can we survive and how can we thrive?
Sure. Well, I think the first thing is understanding that it's not hopeless. There is a path forward and understanding that, right? And part of it is by embracing the technologies that we see coming forward and understanding where they are fitting in your career path. And they may be coming in unexpected ways. I think one thing I've told people is look at what your children are doing these days, because what might look like a toy today may be a business tool tomorrow. I saw, actually it was Gary Vaynerchuk who had mentioned this with Pokemon Go. He's like, anybody who thinks that this is just some silly, stupid game, he's like, what you're doing is you're looking at the future. And everybody should be out there playing this, because augmented reality and virtual reality are going to become our reality in not too long.
Wow.
And this is a great way to just start to learn the technologies. And this can be across things. There's maker fairs where people make all kinds of things, from robots to I don't know, dinosaurs and things. It's just very interesting. Again, toys, and a lot of them are oriented toward kids, but you can actually build real business tools, things that you can actually sell. And this may be where the future is.